Let me show you my latest project I've been working on today in Remy. This is a project that will add a scrollable video in a marketing landing page and allow you to add as many scrollable videos as you want in between sections of your marketing page landing page. What inspired me to do this project was this tutorial that I found on X. And while this is an interesting tutorial, this person uses 4 or 5 different tools to render this video. And it's pretty cool, which inspired me to want to build something similar to this, but only using Remy. So let me show you how this works, the landing page that it will build for you. So notice here as I scroll down here, it's describing to me first a scrollable image or scrollable video, and then how to use it. You first write a treatment for it, describing your brand, and then renders the video, and then you can share the link with anyone else you want to. So let's get started and try one. I'm going to log in, and Remy has emailed me a 6-digit verification code to verify that it is me. Now we're looking at a first-time user using Slate, which is the name of this application that does this building. I'm going to create a new treatment, and I'm going to just make up a brand here. And now it will ask me what feeling should the user have for the first 3 seconds on this marketing site. In this case, I'm going to say the visitor should feel like they are faster than their competition, and I want them to feel a sense of momentum. If the hero were a single frame, what would it be? It would depict a pair of athletic shoes where the soles glow with lightning. Use a wet running track at night so the glowing shoes really stand out. For example, you may have a different page for a software than you would for something like I'm doing here with shoes. But I'm just going to say in this case, I'm going to say it has features, testimonials, and closing call to action. And here, this setting, should each section open with its own film? What that means in this case is, will there only be a hero video like we saw in the opening with the car, or will each section have its own video, scrollable video, so that it compels the viewer to keep scrolling to the bottom of the page? In this case, I'm going to say, yes, I want each one to have its own section. And now we'll start building it. Now we see Slate is describing what will be in that header video. The camera lives at ground level, intimate with the track surface, so the viewer understands the weight and readiness of stillness before speed. So now we have the website rendered with the videos in it. So now we can scroll through here, and we see both the scrollable videos as well as the marketing content for this website. So you can see here how the videos actually scroll. So it entices the viewer to want to keep scrolling down to the bottom. Now here we have the testimonials that we selected. We have the features that we selected that we wanted, and then testimonials, and then the call to action. Now one thing you could also do here is notice how there's a slight lighting effect, but I want to make this more prominent. So I can click on the bottom right of any video and specify changes that I would like. So make the video more energetic and the lightning reflected in the water flash like live lightning. And I have the option to re-render only the video or re-render the frames and the video, so that if I just didn't even like the whole concept that it did for this video, I can redo it again. In this case, I just want to redo the video. This is beginning, and I can scroll up here and do the same thing for this one. I actually kind of like that sliding. This one is more of a subtle effect, so I'm just going to re-render the video. Each of these are being done independently, so I can keep browsing and making any changes. I really like this header video. So now I just wait for these to get re-rendered. You see it's saying generating new film, and then I can review again. So this video has re-rendered, and it does show that floating in the air, although the video is misaligned with the droplet. So if I wanted to, I could just re-render this again as many times as I wanted to. Now let's see what this one did. Oh yeah, this one I kept the same, and that's cool. The lightning effect. And then, now that once I became happy with this, I could do a couple things. I could download the video, download the site, or I could share it. And I just click on the share link and then share it here with someone else. If I come over here, this is where the scenes are for your account. And you could open it for more revision or just share the link. This is something I was working on today based on just that example that inspired me for this, and I thought it was really pretty cool. Thanks for watching.